Hi everybody, I hope you're all having a good day. I just wanted to do a quick little tip that I do whenever I have like a breakout. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I did cover it up. I have like a little pimple right here. Sometimes I'll break out normally like right in here, but whenever I do get a small breakout, I usually use this. It's the Proactive Repair number 3. So I just make sure that I always keep my face really, really clean in the morning, and at night I wash my face. And I use the Proactive Stringent, this is the, the balancing toner. I'll put that on my face at night after I clean my face. Really good. And I always want to make sure that I get it in that area, and that this is the most important. I take just a little bit of this on my finger and I really get it right in there where like the pimple is, and within a couple of days it's usually gone, and it hardly breaks out that much at all. But even on days whenever I don't have a breakout, I usually will just put just a little bit of this on my face, but whenever I do get the breakout, I put a little bit more in that area on my face and all up and through here. I usually don't put it on my cheeks that much. My cheeks don't break out that much, but yeah, just kind of just really rub it into that area, and that's what I do whenever I get a pimple on my face. So hopefully this helps you. If you would please click the links below. I put the items where I found all of this stuff on Amazon, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.